I told you the pattern was popcorn, popcorn, cranberry, popcorn. Instead, you did cranberry, cranberry, popcorn, cranberry.
Oh, I know. And I'll have to live with that for the rest of my life.
Once, I made a gingerbread house that wasn't up to code. It collapsed on a little gingerbread family. Still haunts me.
I hate snow. Just because one little jumbo jet slides off the runway into short-term parking, my vacation is ruined.
Jessie, can you help me wrap my present for Mr. Kipling?
Oh, of course, sweetie. What'd you get him?
Bugs.
Oh.